Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to download ChatGPT on laptop. Now it's a very easy process. So open your browser and just simply search for GitHub ChatGPT. Then open the first link over here. Now just simply scroll down and you should find the download link for ChatGPT Windows. And under that, you will also find the ChatGPT for Mac and Linux if you have those. Now I'm currently on Windows, so I'm going to choose this option over here. So click on the option. And that should install the exe. So wait for a few seconds and the pop-up will appear. Now just simply click on start download and download the entire setup. Now after the downloading is complete, click on open and install the software. So click on next, choose a location and install. So after the installation phase is complete, you will find the shortcut on your desktop. So just simply go and launch it. So wait for a few seconds. Now just simply log in with your ChatGPT account. So click on login. And then just simply complete the sign-in process. So as you can see, after the sign-in process is complete, you will have your ChatGPT on your system. So that's it, and thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to our channel and take care.